Just a quick video. I've seen a couple of different methods to fix the wind noise from the gussets in these frameless windows on Subarus circa 2000-ish. I've seen people take the door apart, I take the window, I take the mirror off, but really, this is all you gotta do. See that gap? I'm gonna squeeze it with two hands, and at this point I wish I had. I mean, I can... And the gap is different if you use two hands. You get about the same. Does the window go up? Check. And repair's complete. It was that quick. I don't know about these guys taking vice grips and taking everything off. Maybe to get this triangle off, you got to take the door panel on some of the Subarus. I don't know. But on the Outback type platforms, the Legacy, there you go.